How you doing?
Yeah. You rolling them? Yeah. Alright, I'm ready. 30, 30, 30, 30, yo. 30 as I ever been. Guess who's back? Fucker, roll that weed up. Engineer, please turn the goddamn beat up. Catch riding tails on your man Tuxedo. Yo, I son 100 rappers, but I ain't gon' feed ya. This my new shit, I'm back in business. If you didn't get this, you on my shit list. I'm at your doormat like Jehovah's Witness. With Balboa gloves, ready to go the distance. Fly pig up in this, haters are nervous, thinking I'ma say they little name in my verses. I ain't a maniac, though I'm a man with a purpose. If I shit it on somebody, then they probably deserved it. Bags of that perp shit, OG Kush. Tell your friends about them, yo, but this the shush. This rap game, no more beating around the bush. I'm the new Jesse Jacks, Operation Push. Brand new Nikes on, brand new hat. Fresh out your bitch with a brand new rap. Knock, knock, motherfucker, guess who's back with some shit for your ass? Where the fuck y'all at? 30 as I ever been. 30 as I ever been. These girls like you're such a fucking asshole, mad cause I'm with the next chick in 11 minutes flat. Fans give me dap, then I sign an autograph saying thanks for the support, one love and all that. Some cats hang around smoking my cigarettes and stressing me out, asking all sorts of questions. Wanna know the secrets of my magic like Kreskin. Like I'm gonna break down now and start confessing. Here's a question people ask a lot. How you write your rhymes? You wanna rap then watch. I smoke massive blocks of hash and pot till I float through space like an astronaut. Then I scribble on the page and the track is hot. Then I wave on the haters like a traffic cop. And Mr. Show Promoter better have my guap. I'm a motherfucker just like my bastard pops. Brand new nice, brand new hat. Fresh out the booth with a brand new track. That's right, motherfuckers, guess who's back with some shit for your ass? Where the fuck y'all at? 30 as I ever been. 30 as I ever been. Everybody talking about your boy, you ain't right. Cause I cross out tags in the broad daylight. I built my name out of bricks, not height. Respect the architect, Frank Lloyd Wright. My first two shits had hits accidentally. Moonshine 2 times as strong as your Hennessy. Mixtape 6 straight through to the NNG. 2707, crime of the century. Mention me in the tail of this town. Break some motherfuckers if you come for this crown. Swim with the big fish, you bound to drizzle. Middle finger up, never turn my shit down. I get down till I'm up in the cage. Got paid, no one see me in a couple of days. Puffin' haze, cuffin' strays, son, I'm stuck in my ways. Ain't thumbing brains, I'm just too fucking stubborn to change. 30 as I ever been. 30 as I ever been. Ever been. 30 as I ever been. 30 as I ever been.
Nice! Frag out! Nice!